Abronye na kai say eye Sunday twam ya ana Owusu Bempah eja na sorry dem etutu bi enema eye osofpani eye Kofi Oduro. Yes. Na nsama e course wa sorry dem ho no. Ene punchlines Owusu Bempah to ye no na enye punchlines keto a ina enim senka esi ho a na ade property no ye nina ebebo awrem. Na ye nim de ekosi ye ono ankasa ne ba na na adu Berchie enso so aso asem no mu bia kese si de ono so etutu bi enema eye Prophetic Kofi Oduro na wa expose no enye expose ketoa sanso so ana Abronye DC ono so aba beso san tokwa ne mu bi ema ono so e de na dwenkyere aba ni na no osofo Kofi Oduro ene Owusu Bempah beef na ekoso no ono so atumi ache na adwen afa ho atoto punchlines ni bi abusua ensem ni na ye bebo e de awrem meso se na e de kan aba channel so a eni di mano mi subscribe to mi abel na e won channel like video no so na bibia enye kama pa Abusai na ehu se Sunday twam ya na Owusu Bempah agent na so dem eputia na ochim krampa na ense danye preaching no preaching nemmom otu omofo se nkofo omatu omani asi eye prophetic ministry ni so no enya de obetwe ede ama omo be attack eye prophetic ministry nko ade a ono so be attack omo bi na chese akwakoye mugamu na oguso o cheche omo a na ode eye prophetic Kofi Oduro de eye example se ekoma opo bi oye hypocrite pa na sebi predasa a prophet Kofi Oduro because El Bernard in some of the kind say on abokan Japan and be win a year MPP presidential prime minister no just ambemunum onu koja na so dem ka say El Bernard osofo papa nyankopon na ye den afre no so be na dwuma no nye fake na mom ne refi say emre bi oja na so dem kansem bi na just nam so a to so authority a prophetic ministry ni bi na mom El Bernard nko ade de na afedi oba bonti ababe diferi ni ma chese edidi atam de Owusu Bempah edi ni bi ewo na asori dem eno achese Abronye DC enso so ababe ka ho nsem ama eye na adu Berchie so ababe ka ho nsem yedi kan enhwe ensem a eye Abronye DC e kan ye
Owusu Bempah ne Sofu Kofi Oduro ntokwa si wa park ne so den but no kradie meti ay meka me aduru ba bia Reverend Owusu Bempah me na nya adwene but ye nya twempa de enipa owo ho ayi nkankasie ayi Kofi Oduro si obi ye nya atwema oni class me si obi ye hypocrite ye si obi ye sycophant o ye nya atwem onya se ne pimpinisi na onya pimpinisi no say obi kan tire say menyi ni se ne yire dress papa bia so obi kan tire ne say pimpinisi atwama ana onim sa obi kan tire na onya se ne pimpinisi ni gina na sori mana nima onya nsa te ne bia wo kroma menim so obi kan tire ne say pimpinisi atwam pimpinisi ba nya no ye hu pimprince no afiri sister no mko enti pimprince da bia pimprince ya wapampama o kasa o de tem so no eni nya atwem nsem kankoa na o de ti kroma asem Owusu Bempah kan ye nokre ye ti kroma o maimo ha atofufuo binum se nkoma Reverend ayi Kofi Oduro timi gina na soridam no odidi o matem atofufuo bebre na wagina na soridam adi o matem all because o mashem kom banano de amedene to fami akoshe nkom so obi ba we ni a epa agyi no otwa ne ho defend no na yire ya madamfo ono aye madamfo enti Ghanafo momfa nche saa ne ba no wadi kana didi atofufuo binu matem a o mashem kom say we ye sofo now share politics hun koma unim nyansa ono ne kae Kofi Oduro ne kae no aye ni tise kutaye akurasi kutaye ogina no natural demo no dise asofo omo she omo ma political nkom she no wo nim nyansa na nyame nyihwe nkire omo ekoye ba ye ne de osesa asofo ne ye nadamfo enti ma obi ani natem ba no adidi asofofo atem say adentra ye sofo political nkom eduru we ni dia ekoti awo because babia na oye campaign kono ete fa so ana ne de ne so te fa so nti na se odi usu platform e di defend no nti ukwa akoye damage control ana momfa nche na nya ono nkwa na ache obi anka se obi ko crucify obi yetina krofie ha de wan me nimba bi omukoye meeting a na me nim emma me de betu dwa me nim sika pie mu me nim nipa ode sa atofo no koy me nim sofo panyina ode sa atofo no koto asem mu eka se kwosem ko no me nim sika pie mu me beka ne nyina wa ha etinam nim se hu ni kutreyam. And so once I call ye by your damn funti, who babe defend it, but no the Canada for binomatem. So much political year, political prophecy for the prediction, your minimum answer. And on the share, so for Reverend Owusu Bempah before Sunday no be na no. Say we a hypocrite, we a nyatwem, we a sycophant. Danya criminal na me no me some me gada free no makotena we asori dam no atwem pimpinis o kanya asem o hu asem o TikTok wa no de akogira no adi atem na okọ o hu video wa TikTok wa Sunday no eno na ye ni preaching and kwadi asem bia ni asori dam ho no wadwara to ka free yi eya o moto atade na o munim ba bia o mo de ba kode sa asori dam we no ma asori dam no mo de akwa gina oni nyamesem bia o ka kire obia no o kenkan bible wo na sori dam eno an say oba ya ofure ye so mic mu a kwase akeka throughout ampipia ye say no preachy no pima ampipia kutia because obia to atade onya ba bi mfa nko na the area ho no asori papa bia no eben area ho na asori papa bia no eben area hona sor papa bia ni wa ben wo a obekọ producer bo video nu nti we de Owusu Bempah sofo Owusu Bempah yina no yina no oyenya atwem dodo
nya chese wo chire ma nkwaje asem bia ni na so dem ho age se TikTok video no hweso e di apriti e wo na so dem na pe hypocrisy pa dia na chese e prophet Kofi Oduro e de Abronye this year utimi tutu bi e de ma e so pani Owusu Bempah ana enne de o ka bi e de ama na chese enya sam keto akora na busua ensam no e na adu Berchie oye Reverend Owusu Bempah yes so pani Owusu Bempah ono ankasa ne ba e na adu Berchie ono so e sofo chese ono de o the videos eni nchiremu and a buyer or the bay expose a prophet Kofi Oduro to be a demand left and right touches and now some ketwa. Now
let me show you why Prophet Owusu Bempah said this. Play the next video, Ima. Sorry. I'm sorry why. Won't play my next video, mama. Wait and I saw Owusu Bempah can't answer me and watch the hypocrisy in this work. Me say NBC basun I saw for the BIA D. Koye mama, koye mama, can't Johnny Waba, koye mama. She guess it kope obati koye bubuto boy what you do mo me bin so ya so da abai shift ya no starting his excellency nyame judgment about Jubilee House oboa they said the judgment in Jubilee House o to us say pay to say obi here we were category by easy money wallahi a common day my better will come. Ima play next video that had you what? A truth
the number of people that prophesied for the vice president.
This is what Papa was referring to.
Will I be permitted to give a political prophecy in Ghana?
Go ahead. Go ahead. Flow.
Dear.
I have a question to ask the IGP.
The IGP.
Who happens to ask for that thing that Obuyeto said is true? He's my son.
Hey.
Why
also or confirm you?
Political scientists can give a forecast and nobody will tell them to stop. Some will give a forecast and say that during this election, this one will lose or win. Nobody talks about it. And that is what they have studied. Unfortunately for me, I dropped out of school. And this is my profession. So why would you allow me Or you still don't believe me as a prophet?
Dear prophecy. This was
watch this
2024, right? And then 2022 and elections.
The people that they say are my party members, NPP people, if they don't take care, they will lose almost 7 to 10 seats. But then, if NDC also don't take care, MPP will take over between 19 to 24 seats from them. But then, the election is on the 7th. On the 8th, the result will not come. Everybody shall be jittery.
Okay.
The result will come on the 9th. Some
you.
people will try to cause mayhem so that people shall die. And interestingly, they will call people on the street.
They will not
the
come.
First day, only 1,000 people will show up. The second day, no one will show up. And there shall be peace. And the result is obvious. The things are difficult. I know that there are 2 people coming. But the Lord has told me that by the 9th of December, His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia shall be crowned the President of Ghana.
And when a trigger Kofi Oduro. So basically, Ima, not to step on anybody's toes. MPP did not snatch any seat. They did not lose. So 55 to 9 seats. It didn't happen. The elections will be declared on the 9th. Yamutu. It didn't happen. There will be mayhem, and all these things did not happen. God will separate the men from so Kofi Odoro's response. Let's continue. I'm telling you, Ima, I'm telling you the level of damage a defender and say na no left. This is what I'm talking about. This is how serious it was. Ejakwesi said, "Nanka was say we so." They left him. But Kofi Oduro be trying to be. But Kofi Oduro responsible.
You'll be a president. You'll be a president. If you don't become a president, then I'm not a prophet. Of course, you are not a prophet.
You see?
Of course, you are not a prophet. You see? Oh,
so what was happening is that, boss, Kofi Oduro, in the name of being an evangelist, didn't know say or set a trap. I'm the best friend El Bernard in future. Nyame onye nkwa papa ene enkofo discuss abrantie na owu Yesu no mumienu na yakrofo but omu at that time enim say sankofo na ko hell. But then by revelation, you know, so Yankopon a banner the back of Bonnie channel or the neck of paradise. Yes, you know, papa, evangelist, but no papa. Usi and Quansi and Commission, now the band and cancer Buzano. Said Nana would they bokwine, would they two amena, and your mouth best friend in future. You know, once I may a trouble. But to me, one kasa in future. Tine juma na ye me say. So we juma ne bibia to baby a was so do e ultimate thing. The so for Owusu Bempah e put before wo ene. Say na no die na see ye no. Die eto no kura no. Na onye madam for sa. But o kasa ye mfa ba mo ntini. Na die. O say ye mfa ye pulpit and lift to be. That be na last time I would do pulpit and lift one kasa. O prophet and our downfall. But here is the issue. So for Victor Kosi Boateng, on invite Kofi Oduro da. On go preaching man da. But Prophet El Bernard inviting da. On also invite Prophet El Bernard da. It is sometimes so. A mark with invitation. Am I hypocritical? When you give people platform, what do they say? That's my brother. I love him so much. I started. That is what they say. But how many people have you not given your pulpit to that you can show love to? Unmadia say nyame adwuma. They say aye kuo, aye clan, aye group. Et you say we need a group, so they have hatred for them. The whole basama yemfi. And when you do that, and when we do that, the kingdom will collapse. Because a kingdom divided against each other, it cannot stand. Nyachumuno doso. And now Amadia Barosiko Fiudo always wants public praises. Bring the cameras, sir. Bring the cameras. The cameras. Maybe condemn me, sadly, we confess. So for penny now, Cassetiano. You see today. Also being odifo. So no odifo. Because a question come. And your former Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. A 2 pound. 2 be full. It would depend on so. Satan near about we are honest. Continue.
The Lord has given you the country. The Lord is with you. The Lord has said, the Lord has now woman such them free suben free suban phone can woman fan no crenant and no mum ne juma. And that this that the man gas some job. Say nyamekasa say obi. Yeah,
Debbie Augustine.
Operate and chine bottom ma. He will be. And yes, I'm commissioner.
Esi.
Ube we need power, but I have my power. And I actually say.
Meanwhile, Obi Ankasa out.
See, they make actually say.
T. Ube we need power. That's all my power. You see, these are Christians sitting down.
Yamen Kasasa.
Or Chesa and Yamekasa.
Finish.
Or see Yamekasa say, back.
Mugo tebe bi China say, engomshe no. Na wunya nyamia kasa na manya kukodro mama nyame se ube wi yewie ebemu a we odifo amemu a we furu na ade na e ye djuma nhihye.
Go back again. Or say ebemu a nyame na akasa amemu a. And now see Prophet Bernard e wadamfo ti ye metena enkese sofo Bernard or ne furu ene nantiana. These things doesn't help. Say wenu wasem. A sumu fidi for the future. Fabedu baby no wenim hancho. Wenim wachi. I plead with the public. I have known Prophet Bernard for so long. His wife Mimi is my friend. You see, Obia baby jana shina eyanefa. Ima aponchina yekuno I did not to jasono I yeshin honam baby wo baby e jana kan o te send for phone so phone ko o de tuna chia bete no ba o de na hwa no to so abete ta se abo be si hwa so a ye to ye bo ase ne apam no ko o di ahopepre ko bo wa pa wo hwa se be kuro tu e wo nan na say once na besisua August out for the jaw mo jibiji me ha okra na wo pam no efis no anya careful a obri ukro anu asema papa ka che obia no ye right sabi kenyame adwuma papa sene wo te san ne ba o yira o ware no papa kana categorically o ware ni free na sore dem on na do oba no mawo e ma ware but be see de o to be gina ba bi kran ka say minim so Owusu Bempah bo ma me hwe kran wa cha me yire iti difu atem obe we ni power to nya power sase no ko obi an kan saw but what kind of time when the members no so e bomb say tie o say ye tie e down jira wa saw them I also defend it me am all right say me defend El Bernard grace show for the all right because ye adwuma no ye condemn obi ada e we di adwuma down jira ho I'm telling you how yes am and our members they question mark ball. Most a hypocrite. Ben to answer.
Berchie na say engomshe no na wunya nyame akasa na manya kukodro mama nyame se ubewi ewie
tie
ebemu a we odifo amemu a wafuru na adenam.
Thank you.
Eya adwuma nhyehyeye
what
obi o no ade ya no mehu asa we ba power asa atene nyame onkekense wunu
tie
munya isa munse hunu no amode te Ghana ha no 2019 me ma mo won ba mante na ma start jimi no na mu jimi all over the place.
You see
Penim gwasi amode ya bremo
tie
vice president in wawi
you see
musumu jina
say this is a prophecy to your future friend. Hey onyame o set you up Kofi Oduro Odivo and some na wo ken na no na wo ka ade egu those prophets na nimu ase and onyame share that man prophet Bernard e fa wadanfo and we invite you and I also invite you and onyame share onyame nim say wa frɛ prophet Bernard but ebia ade we ka ho etu nyame man come say ne fele because no person chechiro na hu say oye nyame de open no ye to kote so difo bi so ka bia and condemn no to say ensema wo ken na no e indirect shot to prophet Bernard. So how do you defend it now? Indirect shot omodo mafuna nam ya make kasa kra on kasa bone so na de nsebunu na mo ka no nyame frame eso ne usi we de nyame afre no ye wadanfo say wo no afre wadanfo aman ye ginti because oye wo na ye say wo no ye high priest a de obeji atum no de odi wano asem mra bi atwam kwa na ne wo sa de wano be ye ni ya yemfa to anaso ewie good play the next video near had another video watch me do we see how they watch bi 90 people on YouTube for no more ya there won say mine yen ka no kore yen fa no kore nto let's tell people the truth. So for Owusu Bempah onko ono ankasa ne ntokwada ebu oye na de ko mfiu but ade a de be ko nyame so wo de be ko ediye so ediye adwuma so waka say you don't have an experience in this thing so slow down wenti ha baby enu abenya so for Owusu Bempah no mu asema or condemn a prophet into obegina baby and lift prophet bia it is acceptable because you say oh anu kwa de bi okoma ediye and edifo that's it. Grace so for Berchie na ye fight my prophets but no abegina say ye fanche afobia say when you credible that is the truth. People will not tell you but that is the truth. Me say na say won kasa say ye ntesa won kasa bi MP before number 1 to omo so omo twen down pie ye ko entraso tie
I stand here with a heavy heart.
This was to Nanado.
To respectfully say this to you, sir. The Lord is telling me, pride takes everybody down. And if you continue to be proud, you will go down without remedy.
So this is my problem, Ben. Prophet Owusu Bempah the MP with power at that time. Of course, the president confirmed it. Okayakwa can say, when him say me ya adie na nya. So Papa Bempah has the equal mandate to criticize and astonish the government called the MP because they know say a papa no so or the now so dying atoso ni padua atoso any ni fie say amamu a munkume muntwabiti na mo hyesa nyama wi o wa mekabi o kra so mo hyesa ankom no o mo ye jimifo sebe o mo ye tutufo ye dwamafo ba wo say abiding koyie into aba eye hu dede tini yo sad time no de odina no ya ban ni ye no ono na na wo ho kwan se ko baba kasa but one for any day man o twabo adifo na that time we twabo government no me say dey tina say why din say won kasa apeke afa to anoso.
Your government will be the worst in the history of this country. Your Excellency, if you continue in the arrogance of speech and the pride of your life, you will never see solution and you will never see remedy. I stand here as a man of God and as a prophet of God, not needing anything from you except your repentance and your humility. If not, Ghana is going into destruction. It is only
the fathers no friend ko. But don't forget, what's my fire pulpit in Kansim Gunu? You from preaching salvation when you're politics. I said, you follow the pulpit, are you politics? So for Owusu Bempah, to you, I recommend this a government na ye juma. Most of your politics, but Kofi Oduro join the pulpit. So I can say, or say president who say Ostati Kofi Oduro or Betu Bomba Ostati come on nicely. Na ebufona bam start me on Papa Oduro they men cow be caricature or
Leslie without any remembrance and in the humility
without any remembrance I said no be can what I say on kai bim o hwiegu ho try say ko
he spoke carelessly without any remembrance and in the humility of your heart
members
God favored you.
We are in politics.
But Your Excellency, you have become more prouder than the NDC and the Mahama. I stand here with a heavy heart to respectfully say this to you, sir. The Lord is telling me, pride takes everybody down. And if you continue to be proud, you will go down without remedy. Your government will be the worst in the history of this country. Your Excellency, if you continue in the arrogance of speech and the pride of your life, you will never see solution and you will never see remedy. I stand here as a man of God and as a prophet of God, not needing anything from you except your repentance and your humility. If not, Ghana is going into destruction. It is only the fool that thinks that we are going in the right direction.
So pause. So what do you call this? When your politics? That is a sitting government. And a soft Kofi Oduro. A man of warning, son. But so for Owusu Bempah say, but how my administration is great or hey, or your politics. Where are mathematics and the mathematics? Where are you farming? Play the next video. But say, I come the bar. Almost you look. Play the confirm you the
Where was when people were slapping people, jumping on people, when people were pulling people from people's seats? I thought you said we shouldn't shake our hands. People are pulling people that didn't bring a spread.
I saw them all.
Don't try to go and play this blame game on anybody. That is hypocrisy. And God will judge hypocrisy.
Thank you. So one thing I make judge hypocrisy. Hypocrisy ni say authority asofo I find Victor Kusi Boateng. So for Owusu Bempah onye hypocrite. On say me all cancel in your face. Now say obedient, you protect them. And na hypocrisy. To what one must say God will judge hypocrisy. Ti Kofi Oduro ebia won umma dwaman. Ebia won no monsa won hie. But we a hypocrite and also ye bone. Nyame me kan wow see onyame judge no nso.
So nsami na anabusuan yakwa akuti ediaba egedu Berchie ene Abronye DC anache so muso omotutu bi ede ma eye Prophetic Kofi Oduro se yeba eba eye hypocrisy padia na che se ono anakroma oye number 1 a che se obi entimi ensa no homa ne nyegi che se eba wodi mu dia ende eye but eko obi di mu dia enye na che se eno anomo pese omo che se Reverend Owusu Bempah ansem ogia na so dem ekan no boni bi eni edi etwa se okan ana okan ye na se o defend eye the prophetic ministry na che se we eye nsema eye du Berchie ene eye Abronye DC ebetina media na so a toto ye edema eye Prophetic Kofi Oduro abusua kyerɛ wadwen ɛwɔ eye comment section na sɛ enne so ye de di kan a oba channel yiso a edede ma no mi subscribe button no mi abio na ɛwɔ nkyɛn like video no so na bibia enye kama pa aha ɛna abusua me de wusi makra